Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to find trending effects for your Instagram reel. So first of all we have to open up our Instagram application, and after opening up the Instagram application you have to click on this plus icon into the bottom of the uh, screen. So you will click on plus, and now make sure that you are in your reels tab here, and on the left side you can see this little menu here, and on the second you will see this effects option here. If you click on this one, and then you have to go into the trending option here. Now this means that these effects or filters are in trending right now, and if you make reels using these effects, you probably get more views. So let's suppose that if I want to use this effect here, this one, this effect, so I will just tap on it, and now this effect has been applied on my reel. So now what I can do is I can just tap and hold this option here, and then my reel will be created with this effect. So that's how you can find the trending effects for your reels. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.